Very nice nectarine here. Just trying to feel they all fit, but I'm just trying to see if I can get a soft one. Try this one. Yep. Okay. Alright. So let's sample this one. Mm-hmm. Nice and juicy. We're gonna harvest some of it. Let's pick some of it. Just harvesting. This is the boy harvesting as well. Say hi, boy. Okay, so this one is ripe as well. This one. Harvesting nectarine, man. So this is the boy harvesting as well. Remember that apple tree? Okay, this is the apple tree. Not ready yet. Got some nice lovely one here. Anyway, we just come for nectarine. Come. Quite a few here, but you know what's gonna happen? They're just gonna fall off the tree. There's no one want them. Don't harvest anymore for this time anyway. So this is the nectarine tree. Just harvesting some of it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.